Unity in diversity. This is God's supreme secret in His cosmic game. Namaste, I Veerta Mehta and my co-host Swara Kachwaha welcome you to our morning assembly. Today is the 4th of November અને ગુજરાતી તિથિ મુજબ આજે આસો વદ ચોથ છે. Let us get ready for the morning prayers.
नमस्ते. आज जो प्रार्थना प्रस्तुत होने वाली है उस प्रार्थना में से हमें ये सीख मिलती है कि माँ सरस्वती ज्ञान और बुद्धि की अधिष्ठात्री है. उनके आशीर्वाद के बिना कोई भी मनुष्य ज्ञान प्राप्त नहीं कर सकता. और वैसे भी कहा जाता है ना, कई प्रकार की कलाएं हैं. शिल्प स्थापत्य कला, संगीत, नृत्य, नाट्य. इसी कलाओं में हम तभी पारंगत हो सकते हैं जो माँ शारदे की कृपा हो, उनके आशीर्वाद हो, तो ही हम सभी कलाओं में पारंगत हो सकते हैं. तो चलो सुनिए, माँ शारदे, माँ शारदे.
हंसवाहिनी वीणा पाणी ब्रह्म भामिनी कला स्वामिनी. हंसवाहिनी वीणा पाणी ब्रह्म भामिनी कला स्वामिनी. जग तार दे माँ शारदे, माँ शारदे, माँ शारदे, हृदय गगन में भव्य भवन में, हृदय गगन में भव्य भवन में, मुक्त पवन में जग जीवन में, मुक्त पवन में जग जीवन में. ज्ञान भर दे माँ शारदे, माँ शारदे, माँ शारदे. हंसवाहिनी वीणापाणि ब्रह्मभामिनी कला स्वामिनी हंसवाहिनी वीणापाणि ब्रह्मभामिनी कला स्वामिनी जगतारदे
festivals, most famous festivals, 6 varied religion, 22 different languages, having more than 19,500 mother tongues, all in one land, India. That's our nation. How can two people from different states communicate with each other? Recently, we celebrated Hindi Divas. We realized how one magnificently can one language help us unite. It's important to unite our viewpoints and actions. I invite Tanisha Kakar of class 6O to deliver a speech made by her. Unity in diversity of religion.
Namaste. My name is Tanisha Kakar from class 6O and I am very proud to be a citizen of the country from where this quote originated. Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, hum sab hai bhai bhai. So, with this thought, I will deliver a speech upon unity in diversity of religion. Diversity thrives. Everything in our country is so unique. Be it language, culture, or even our very attire. We see India as a prosperous orchard full of a variety of fruits or a garland made up of various aromatic flowers. As a car can move only when all its 4 wheels rotate in one direction, in the same way, the world will achieve more if everyone works together to reach the destination of peace, brotherhood, and open-mindedness. And this will only be achieved when people from different diversities work together by spreading the message of love amongst each other. When all the 5 fingers of our hand are attached to our palm, then it becomes a hand that is useful enough to help people and flourish relationships. In the same way, it makes sense to stand together with people of different cultures, as even we fall into a type of a jigsaw puzzle. And to complete it, we all need to stand together, and this entity is known as humanity. So, let us all unite as a whole to fight against social evils and bring peace, harmony, and universal brotherhood to this world. Thank you.
દોસ્તો, આ દેશની તાસીર તો જુઓ. ભાષા, બોલી, ધર્મ, રીતિ રિવાજ, ખાણીપીણી અને પહેરવેશ વગેરેમાં વિવિધતા હોવા છતાં અનેકતામાં એકતા આ ભારત દેશની શાન છે. અને એટલે જ ગર્વથી કહી શકાય કે ભારત દેશ મહાન છે. તો આવી અનેકતામાં એકતાની વાત લઈ આવી રહ્યા છે મારા પરમ મિત્ર દેવકામી.
નમસ્તે. મારું નામ દેવ છે. હું 6ઠા ધોરણમાં અભ્યાસ કરું છું. મને કેરમ ને ચેસ રમવું ખૂબ ગમે છે. મને ગમકી બિલકુલ પસંદ નથી. આજે હું તમારી સામે એક કવિતા પ્રસ્તુત કરવાનું છું, જેનું શીર્ષક છે અનેકતામાં એકતા મારા દેશની શાન. હું ગર્વથી કહું છું, ભારત દેશ મહાન છે. અનેકતામાં એકતા મારા દેશની શાન છે. અનેક ભાષા અનેક બોલી ઉજવાય ઈદ અને હોલી, છતાં સમરસતા જેની આન છે. અનેકતામાં એકતા મારા દેશની શાન છે. પાળિયાને પીર પૂજાય, પાળિયાને પીર પૂજાય, જો ઈશ્વર મનમાં હરખાય. લોક હૃદયે પ્રભુનું સ્થાન છે. અનેકતામાં એકતા મારા દેશની શાન છે. કોઈ કુરાન વાંચે, વાંચે કોઈ ગીતા. રામ કહો રહીમ કહો, સૌનો એક જ દાતા. મારા અલૌકિક દેશે સર્વ ધર્મ સમાન છે. અનેકતામાં એકતા મારા દેશની શાન છે. મંદિર, મસ્જિદ, દેવળ ને ગુરુદ્વારા એકતાના પ્રતીક સમા દેવળ સારા, જ્યાં ભક્તિભાવ એક સમાન છે. અનેકતામાં એકતા મારા દેશની શાન છે. રંગે સંગે ઉત્સવ ઉજવતા, ગીત મધુરા સૌ કોઈ ગાતા. સંસ્કૃતિ એની દિવ્યમાન છે. અનેકતામાં એકતા મારા દેશની શાન છે. અનેકતામાં એકતા મારા દેશની શાન છે. આભાર.
The girls are so elated about unity that they portray in the form of dance performance. I invite Krisha Santani, Nityashi Chauhan, Rutu Bandheri, Cheel Doshi, Mahi Delvadia, Hir Kakadia, Priya Undad and Gracie Kalola.
My name is Madhavi. I'm from Alleppey. My name is Madhavi. I'm from Alleppey. I speak Malayalam, but I'm just like you. My name is Nattivar. I'm from Srinagar. My name is Nattuvar. I'm from Srinagar. I speak Kashmiri, but I'm just like you. My name is Shubhrata. I'm from Kolkata. My name is Shubhrata. I'm from Kolkata. I speak Bengali, but I'm just like you. My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. I speak Gujarati, but I'm just like you. My name is Arundhati. I'm from Guwahati. My name is Arundhati. I'm from Guwahati. I speak Assamese, but I'm just like you. My name is Benjamin. I'm from Panjim. My name is Benjamin. I'm from Panjim. I speak Konkani, but I'm just like you. My name is Rani Mai. I'm from Chennai. My name is Rani Mai. I'm from Chennai. I speak Tamil, but I'm just like you.
I am Kulvinder from Chandigarh. Aha, 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 aha. Hey! I am Kulvinder from Chandigarh. Aha, 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 aha. I am Kulvinder from Chandigarh. Oh, I speak Punjabi, but I'm just like you. India, different states, different languages, diverse culture, still unity in diversity. Because we are many in body, but one in mind. We are proud Indians. Yes, we are Indians.
In the journey to acquire bliss and wisdom, you'll always have to inevitably visit the virtue of unity in diversity. Now let us all come together and sing the song of unity. Please get ready for the national anthem. Assembly Saavdhan.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Assembly Vishram. Let's hear today's point to Sojo from our SS teacher Aftab sir. Over to you, sir.
Unity in diversity. We've been listening to this term since we were in grade 1. Let me dissect this term for you. Diversity, differences and dissimilarities. Unity, togetherness. When we say unity in diversity, we're talking about togetherness despite of having differences within all of us. Since our childhood, our mind is not trained to enjoy the differences between any two people. The body, that's the physical form, and our mind will be different of each and every individual, and we need to respect that. We haven't been trained to enjoy the differences, while we have made this a discriminatory process. Yes, discrimination. Discrimination on the basis of race, religion, nationality, ethnicity, and yes, gender. We have started treating different genders as two different species in this world. Just look at the differences.
Recall the time when you used to go to school. Can you recall that time when you used to sit on the tables and make a line of partition? That line used to act like a border between India and Pakistan, and that is how the students used to react. A person putting his hand by mistake on one of the sides, crossing the borders, and the other person used to get agitated like anything. One person touching someone's compass box, pen or pencil and the other person getting irritated. Does this show intolerance? Is this intolerance only towards our friends? We often tend to show intolerance even at our homes, with our siblings, with our parents, with our grandparents. As we say, charity begins at home. We tend to talk about unity in diversity within our nation, but when it comes to unity, let's first talk about ourselves. How united are we as a family? How united are we as classmates? How united are we as citizens of a particular city or citizens of country? Are we actually united? So the question is, what's the solution? Be compassionate, be lovable and affectionate, show a little more respect towards fellow individuals, have patience, and most importantly, learn to respect the differences. जरा सोचो।
नमस्ते। हमारी अगली प्रस्तुति सरस्वती वंदना से हमें क्या सीख मिलती है। यदि हम दिन की शुरुआत सरस्वती वंदना से करें तो हमें यह अनुभूति होती है कि हमारे जीवन में विद्या का क्या महत्व है। चाहे वो कोई भी हो, व्यक्ति, वस्तु, छोटा या बड़ा, किताबें या कलम, जिससे भी हमें कोई भी प्रकार का ज्ञान प्राप्त होता है तो वह आदर के पात्र है। तो आइए चलिए दिन की शुरुआत करें सरस्वती वंदना से।
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवे सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निशेषजाड्यापहा या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेत